How to add new stickers on TikTok comments. So first of all, on your home page, pause on a video. Then tap on the comment category. From here, you can see a sticker icon. Tap on it. Now, swipe all the way towards the left-hand side and you can see a market icon. Tap on it. Now you can see all the new stickers. You can tap on the option of Add. Once you do so, just go back. And the stickers that you had newly added would be displayed on these categories on top. You can simply tap on that category and then tap on a sticker. And then you can also add a comment. Then you can tap on this upwards arrow button in order to add that new sticker on the comments section of TikTok. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.